Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn about singular and plural words.
Yeah, it's good.
Singular means one, and plural means more than one.
Okay, sir.
Let's look at some fun examples together.
Sure.
Wow!
This is one cat. It's singular.
It's singular.
If we add more, we say cats. That's plural. One dog is singular.
It's singular.
Two or more dogs, that's plural.
Dogs are plural.
One woman, it's singular.
Woman is singular.
A group becomes women. It's plural. One child plays.
Child is singular.
Many kids together are children.
It's plural.
One man is singular.
It's singular.
Two or more are men.
It's plural.
One ball.
It's singular.
Many balls.
They are plural.
Here's something special. One fish is fish. Many fish are still called fish. No S here. One star shines.
It's singular.
The night sky has stars.
They are plural.
One toy is fun.
It's singular.
A toy bear. Cat has many toys. One bird flying is singular. A flock means birds.
It's plural.
One tooth is in your mouth. That's singular. But when you smile, you have many teeth. That's plural. One car on the road.
It's singular.
But if there are many, we say cars.
It's plural.
One banana.
It's singular.
A bunch has many bananas. A garden with one tree is singular. A forest has many trees.
It's plural.
Great job, kids! Now you know the difference between singular and plural words. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. Keep practicing and you'll become super smart. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Then must subscribe this channel.